Good morning guys. So, may cosplay po ako today. So, hindi ko muna gagamitin yung microphone ko pero later gagamitin ko siya. Pero may cosplay ako. So, patawarin niyo yung buhok ko dahil kakatapos ko lang maligo. Pero hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko kasi kapag may cosplay ka, kailangan mo mag-wig at kailangan mo mag-wig cap. So, medyo ano na yung hair natin. So, ibabrush up ko lang siya kasi kailangan ko ng flat na hair line. So, ipapost ko muna kapag naka-wig cap na. So, ibablog ko ang cosplay ko today because I have a cosplay sa FanFest 2024 sa One Ayala Mall Fest. One Ayala Mall? So, see you there. I will be cosplaying as Jingwan, General Jingwan. So ayan. Yan ang itsura. Anyways, hindi ko sumagawa ko pero anyways, kaya ko na siguro batakin nyo. Actually kasi guys, dahil nga nakita nyo naman yung hair ko kanina at napaka-alala. I mean, hindi ko kasi siya binasa today kasi nga dahil kapag binasa ko siya tapos nag-wig cap ako, medyo hindi siya medyo babaho talaga siya. So, naranasan ko na siya before and I don't wanna repeat that mistake again. So, ito siya. Okay, so far it's good. So mag-makeup na lang ako today and siguro no rush kasi I mean hindi naman ako mag-rush today's video. And actually this is just my second vlog sa pagbalik ko sa YouTube and I will have my friend April. Kilala niyo na siya? I mean, kilala niyo ba siya? Oo, meron pala kaming food series, food trip before. Siya yung magbibideo sa akin for today and tara samahan nyo ko and let's transform myself into General Jingwan of Honkai Star Rail. Hi guys! So, ito si April. Hi! So, yeah, so she'll be with me all the day pati doon sa event na sa convention. So, first time niyang sumama sa cosplay convention like this and hindi na natin doon magiging reaction niya. At mamaya siya din yung kukuha ng most of my clips sa vlog. So, pero I mean, yeah, she'll be with me and yeah, let's enjoy this day and pag-makeup na po tayo dahil no rush pero relax and let's see kung anong mangyayari today. Enjoy! Guys, I am being Jingwan now, so let's do this. Salamat talaga kay April kasi napakalaking tulong na may tumulong sa akin. So, let's do this. Magko-contact lens na ako. Yeah. See? She's being rude to me. Sorry. Did you see that? Oh my gosh, yung bata! Ano ba? Oh my gosh, yung bata! The perks having your best friend here. Yeah, see? Thank you so much. Okay na rin. Hoyoverse, baka naman. Baka naman Honkai Star Rail Okay, so let's okay. Guys, ayusin ko lang din yung pabuuan ng costume. Hi. Eto na. I'm done. So tapos na yung see? So guys, tapos na. I am Jingwan. So maghintay na lang kami, kakain lang kami ng konti bago umalis. Tapos pakita mo yung weapon. That's the weapon. So hinati ko muna siya ng into 2 pieces. sakay namin ng sasakyan, yung mga yung susundo sa akin, and then we're good na. Today, let's just enjoy this day and samahan nyo ako sa FanFest 2024 in Juan Ayala Malls. So, first time kasi na Iber sasama sa ganito. So, mamaya talaga sinasabi ko sa'yo, pag doon ka na. Kasi first time niya makaka-attend ng convention. Yeah, yung reaction mo, ang gusto ko mabidyohan natin mamaya. So, gagawin natin, binibrief ko kasi siya kanina kung ano yung mga dapat namin gawin kapag nandun na sa event. Kasi for sure, yung phone niya, punong-puno ng picture ng mga cosplayer yan. Walang picture ko dyan. Picture ng mga cosplayer dyan. Naniniwala ako doon. Yan, papalis na kami. So, meron pa pala tayong papalis na kami. Hinintay ko lang isundo namin dahil sa Grab ako at medyo mainit yung ang weather for today. Hi, so kakasakay lang namin ng babiyahin na kami by the way. So, papunta na kami ng Juan Ayala. Tomorrow, baka babalik din pala ako doon for meet up ng ibang mga friends. For today, hindi ko pa alam anong mangyayari. Mimit ko pa yung kaibigan ko. So, punta na tayo ng Juan Ayala. Hello guys, malapit na tayo sa Ayala. Okay, so yes, matter na kami. So, malapit na ako sa Ayala, malapit na tayo sa event. So, let's be na sa akin yung ibang mga friend ko na mapunta na daw sila. Pero tingin ko tama lang din yung magiging arrival natin kasi 10 AM ang simula na 11 pa lang naman. So, let's just do it. So, 1 hour lang naman ang delay natin. Tsaka nasa BGC na pala kami. So, lalabasan lang kami ng Buendia papuntang Glorieta. So, we're here sa event. Wait, where's my phone? May phone ko sa'yo, no? Okay. Sorry. Hi. Yeah, careful. Just have to be careful. So we're still waiting for, we're still looking for the elevator. That's actually what we need right now. Oh, there, wait lang, yeah, that's it. Do you know the elevator? The fastest way to get to the elevator? I think you go up, just go up. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm fellow boss. When you get in the event, so, hindi, sige lang, video mo lang. So, tara, let's go. This is the event.
guys, so nandito na tayo sa loob and tara, first of all, I want you to see what inside the event. So ito po muna kayo. And the vlog is just for you guys to see what's inside the event. So let's go. So let's start, I think dito.
And having it all back at the sheer time of singers, one year and a more.
Hi guys, so I am doing voiceover sa ilang part ng vlog na to dahil nakaka-stress kasi nung ine-edit ko to I just then realized na wala na pala akong microphone. Medyo sabog na yung sound. I don't know what happened. Siguro yung distance lang namin ni April during these times. And maayos naman din yung video. It's just I interviewed some persons or some cosplayers sa event na ito. It's just that the microphone really doesn't work. And kung mapapansin nyo, yan, nakatalikod ako, and then nagkasalita din ako actually ng mga part na yan, but it's just really the microphone that really doesn't work. Until I saw my fellow cosplayer who wears the same costume as I did, and yeah, ito siya. It's just, you know, nakakatawa na makakita ng cosplayer na katulad niya who wears the same person, the same costume as I did. And sayang interview. It's just my microphone really act up during those time, and napaka-accommodating niya, and he's so good. He looks so good sa costume, and yeah. So mag-voice over na lang ako sa ibang mga part ng vlog na to, and yun lang. Gusto lamang magpasalamat po sa lahat ng nagpa-picture, and you guys are so great. I really appreciate yung mga nagpa-picture sa akin, and I released actually a video prior to this one, and thank you po talaga sa mga naka-appreciate, and I really appreciate also your costumes, and you guys look so good and beautiful and handsome at the same time. Thank you po. Ayun, actually, isa rin sa mga reason kung bakit nandito ako is just gusto kong bumili ng mousepad, and look, nakahanap ako ng Honkai Star Rail Imbibitor Lunay na mousepad, at ito yung nabili ko.
Guess what? Finally, I found it! Okay, so can you tell me the name of your book?
Tojin Mise.
Okay, so and then what do you have here?
We have many different animes, VTubers to Gundam. We also have some other animes like Chainsaw Man.
That one is so cute. Well, actually, what I love about here is that they have my favorite character. Wow, so here's Dan Hang, the Imbibitor Knight. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy it for them.
I know where that is.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, look who's here. It's Shanpai, and I'm really so happy to see him again kasi yung huling nakita kami is in Cosplay Mania last year, and I'm glad that she still recognized me, and I'm so happy to see him. And yeah, look.
The mic? Alright, there we go. Now the mic is on.
So guys, we're here actually inside the event. Yeah. Okay, so we're here outside the event.
Guys, I'm really so stressed sa pag-edit kasi ayun na nga, wala na nga akong mic during these times. Pero papakita ko sa inyo yung labas ng event hall kung saan nakalocate yung mga photographers where you can have yourself photographs. Actually, this place is for photographers who can be paid for your photo shoot. So, dito lang sila makikita ng event na ito.
Hi!
Yes!
I'm doing vlog. Hi, Shan!
Hello!
Hi, I'm doing vlog.
Oh, hello! Hi there! Nice to meet you all! Hi!
How are you?
I'm doing great. How are
I miss
you?
you.
The Pebbles.
What about you? How are you?
I'm actually going to shoot over here. That's why I'm here.
Ah, okay, I'm shooting from the
Yeah, I can see that. Hello there, everyone.
Anything you want to promote?
I mean, your channel.
Thank you so much.
Guys, give them a follow.
Ah, thank you so much.
Ayan.
Oh, yeah. I give that a lot.
More promotion for the event. Diba? Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you, man.
Bye.
Bye, take care.
See you around.
Sure, see you around, man.
Shaoran, right? Shaoran? It's Shaoran. Shaoran? Yeah, oh my God, yes, I'm right. Okay, this is Shaoran from Card Doctor Sakura. Have you seen Card Doctor Sakura?
At dahil wala na akong mic, I'm just going to do a compilation ng mga na-interview ko like these three friends. Actually, ako yung nakapansin sa kanila dahil they look so cute together. Look at them. So adorable. And of course, I am privileged to interview the host of the event, Kai, my fellow Honkai Standard cosplayer. And she's doing Topaz. And I'm so glad na mapaunda ka dyan ng interview. Hello Kai, if you're watching this, thank you so much sa interview. Napakabait mo. And I hope to see you soon sa ibang event pa ng cosplay.ph. Look, a Hiliture, I'm so happy to see a cosplayer wearing these kinds of costume from Genshin Impact. Ayun, dahil wala na akong mic dito sa event, voice over ulit. So thank you guys for watching this vlog and salamat sa naka-appreciate ng costume ko and receiving all your positive feedback about me. I really appreciate all of you guys. And also thank you din kay April who's with me during this event, who helped me a lot. So ayan, huling ikot daw ng kabuuan ng event. Gusto niya lang yan. Pero bakit ako nakatingin sa basura? So see you on July sa Anime and Cosplay Expo. I will be there. Ngayon pa lang, I will be there. So see you and mark that date, July 20 to 21, 2024 at SMX Convention Center. And see you there. Bye!